How to flip small trading accounts using gaps combined with candlestick psychology. What to do to make sure the gap win rate stays consistently high. How to separate the losing from the winning trades. How to improve your trading entries. How to have a better trading psychology. You will learn all of this and so much more when you watch the entire video. Okay, for the candle time, I'll be using 1 minute Japanese candles and block mode. Okay, remember this side should be on 0 at all times and this should be on 1 minute. If it's on any one of these, select this. Right, make sure that you do this. Click here to save. So what I'm gonna do in this video, I'm going to take trades with the weak gaps, the strong gaps, the breakaway gaps, and the out and the inside gaps. Okay, now this one here is a inside gap, and we have also others which are called breakaway gaps or outside gaps, whichever name you want to call it. They're basically the same name, the outside and the breakaway. And then you have the inside gap, which I'm going to show you right now, which is here. So right here, you see the candle closes right here, right? And then this candle opens inside this one, so we call it inside gap. It opens inside this candle. All right, I'm going to keep explaining about gaps on the next trade, don't worry. Okay, so this was another inside gap on the same pair right here, which as I was talking to you guys, I noticed it. So let me show you, because I was marking to show you before. So look at this. The price closed right there, right? Then this candle opens. It jumps up, right? So this is called inside. Guys, forgive my writing. Inside. Okay, that's what it's called. So therefore, I'm taking this for 2 right here. Now guys, this is a breakaway gap. This is one of the healthiest, strongest breakaway gap. Look at this. Look why I call it breakaway gap, right? You see the candle close right there, and this one opens all the way here. Hold on, I want you guys to see something. Oh, it's not showing. All right, but you notice that the price jumps. You see the gap right here. This is the gap, breakaway gap. It's in the middle right there, right? So I hope you guys are getting the understanding of the breakaway gaps, especially for those who are new or even those who are here but still didn't get it. Breakaway gap, you want it to break the wick of your candle also, not just the body, also the wicks. Okay, I'm gonna keep explaining on the next trade. So I'm gonna take this for 1 trade right here, and I'm going to show you guys something. I'm not going to take it for more because this is a weak gap, weak breakaway gap. You notice it didn't break this candle. Pay attention how the gap behaves. Just look at that. You see, it's a weak one, and this is what I mean about, guys, you have to learn and know how to separate the bad trades from the good trades. I really took this, and I have high confidence it will lose because I know it didn't break here, right? And I'm trying to show you guys that when you take bad trades, you will lose. Okay, and this is what separates profitable traders from unprofitable traders. They understand what to take and what not to take. Okay, and this is certainly a trade you should not take. All right, sometimes these bad trades win, but it's not good to take them. Okay, if you want to learn how to separate the good trades from the bad trades, use the link in description to apply for mentorship. This will be the end of my video. Peace out.